of flights were late. We turn next to Tallahassee tonight and the legal battle over Florida's new voting law, now entering a new chapter. A federal judge today blocking parts of the law this week, calling it the state's latest assault on the right to vote. So what happens now? Here's Capitol reporter Forrest Saunders.
Federal Judge Mark Walker didn't hold back in an injunction order Monday, calling the new election law, quote, Florida's latest assault on the right to vote. In the 58-page order, Judge Walker paused portions of the new law prohibiting non-U.S. citizens from collecting or handling voter registration applications. Also, a provision making it a felony for registration groups to keep a voter's personal info. The judge didn't accept the state's reasoning for the changes and found them vague, writing, quote, the free state of Florida is simply not free to exceed the bounds of the United States Constitution.
So we're moving along cautiously. For us, it's very important that our community can continue to get registered.
The Hispanic Federation is among the registration groups that brought the legal challenge, now breathing a little easier. Their operation relies on non-U.S. citizen volunteers and staff to reach and register minority voters. Without the injunction, the group could have faced a $50,000 violation per infraction.
For us, that represents weeks of work from canvassers. That means that we can potentially lose thousands of voter registrations because we have to pay the fine and not be able to send canvassers out to register our community to vote.
But the order is far from a final word. It's just a temporary hold until the larger legal dispute is resolved, which plaintiffs' attorneys say they're prepping for.
I mean, we're hopeful, but we are a team that worries for the best. Nothing is a sure thing, and we know that we have to build an incredible record.
The governor's office has yet to comment on the injunction, but Republicans who backed the law previously said it was always about further bolstering election integrity.
This is a bill that's about efficiency. It's about protecting the Florida voter and making sure that we continue to have successful elections.
The state is expected to appeal, and legal experts say if that happens, the higher circuit court could quickly reverse things, putting plaintiffs back to square one.
I think there's definitely a real probability that it goes up on appeal quickly and the appellate court reverses. I don't think that's the most likely scenario, but it's certainly a real one.
What happens next will be up to the courts as this latest legal battle over Florida law continues to move through the justice system. At the Capitol, Forrest Saunders, ABC Action News.